So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down until we find Windows Update. Here it is. You want to double click on it. You want to make the startup type disabled and then click on stop, which will then make the server status stopped, and then click on OK. You want to leave this open. Now for the next step, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on this PC. Now you want to find your Windows drive. Double click on it and then click on Windows. You want to find the software distribution folder. Scroll down until we find software distribution. You want to right click on it and then click on show more options and then click on rename. You want to call this SD old and then click on enter and then click on yes. After you rename the folder, you want to come back to services. You want to find Windows Update, double click on it. You want to make the startup type automatic and then click on start, which will then make the server status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. You want to restart the Windows Update service. Once you do all of this, the problem should be fixed. You should now be able to install Net Framework.